Great ideas are all around us. You have them. Your teammates have them. And now, with Webex Whiteboard, you can bring great ideas to life anywhere. Integrated into your Webex workflow and as a standalone app, Webex Whiteboard allows creation and collaboration from any device at any time. No one is left out. Everyone can ideate together. You don't have to be a pro designer to create good-looking content. Plus, you can easily pick up where you left and get up to speed on anything you might have missed. Add pictures, ink, draw, react, build templates, and more to capture information, ideas, and outputs for everyone to get on the same page. Whiteboard's gone evergreen. From problem to solution, idea to execution, Webex whiteboarding for everyone on any device.